Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, last week I showed you how to make a delicious mushroom and bacon keto pasta. If you haven't seen that video, click here on the I button and check it out. And that was so delicious that I decided to make another keto pasta this week. We're making a creamy garlicky pasta with some prawns in it. It's gonna be delicious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm going to be using these low-carb fettuccine noodles. You can use any kind of store-bought keto pasta, you can use zucchini noodles, and if you're not on keto, any pasta will do. I open the packet of the fettuccine and strain out the liquid that it comes in, and then I rinse it under cold running water and set it aside. Then I get my pan on the stove and heat up some olive oil. Once that olive oil is nice and hot, I add in my prawns. You can just dump in the whole lot in the pan, but I'm trying to be all fancy, so I'm putting them in one at a time. Next, I season them with some salt and some pepper, and I give it a good mix. After that, I remove them from the pan and set them aside. We remove them because we don't want to overcook the prawns. Remember, prawns take like 2 minutes to cook in total. Now in the same pan, I turn the heat to low and then I add in some butter and also a wee bit more olive oil and then lots of chopped garlic. And then of course I give it a good shake and get that garlic frying. Next I add in a pinch and a half of red chili flakes. If you want it spicier you can add in more, but you know me, I'm a spice wuss. Now you just gotta let this fry on a low heat till the garlic starts to turn golden brown. Keep an eye on it, don't go anywhere. Once that garlic is nice and golden, I add in some heavy whipping cream and give everything a good mix. I grate in some Parmesan cheese and add in a splash of water and give it one more good mix. Now you'll notice some green stuff in my sauce, and that's just some parsley that I threw in, but the camera didn't record it. It's no big deal, just basically after you add the cheese, add a bit of water, give it a good mix and then add in some fresh parsley. Then I add in my low-carb fettuccine and also add in my prawns, and then I give everything a good mix. And that's looking good already. Now you just finish it with some fresh parsley and turn off the heat. And that's it. My creamy garlicky pasta with prawns is ready and I just can't wait to dig in. But first of course I have to do all this fancy plating and take photographs. So here is a shot of the plated dish, all fancy and ready to serve. I don't think it gets any easier than this. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste our very delicious looking prawn pasta. It smells amazing. Anyway, let's dig in. Okay, those prawns are delicious. Wow. And even the sauce is really amazing. I didn't make it as creamy and cheesy as the last recipe. I wanted to make this a little lighter. And it's hitting the spot perfectly. And these noodles aren't bad either. They're quite good. I think I preferred last time's spaghetti, but these are not bad at all. Anyway, I hope you're going to make this pasta, guys. Chewing. Anyway, I hope you guys are going to make this at home. Let me know how it turns out and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Till then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, click here and watch all the pasta recipes I've done on the channel so far, or click here and maybe try some of my curries.